Welcome! In front of me I have a SKAGEN HR Falster 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the middle button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on that screen to open the watch face menu, like this. And once you open the watch face menu, you can scroll through it by swiping left and right on the screen, find the watch face you would like to use, and once you find it, tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also customize some of the watch faces, so if you open the watch face menu, you can tap on the settings icon under them, and this allows you to customize some things like widgets, for example, a dial color, and some other things. As you can see, we can tap on the widget, and we should be able to change it. Let me try again. Settings icon, tap on widget, it will open the list of widgets, and you can select one you like. Like this. Maybe something else, then here, and maybe empty. Okay, and once you're done with the widgets, you can scroll down, and here we can change the dial color. For example, like this. Then we can change the time color, like this. We can turn on the solid color or turn it off. We can change the widget colors, like this. And then we can change we can save our customization by tapping on Save Look. And once you're done, you can press the middle button to apply the changes. Okay. And you can also open the watch face menu through settings, so you can press the crown button or middle button to open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, you can tap on display, change watch face, and it will open the watch face menu. You can find the watch face you like, tap on it to select it. Another way you can change the watch face is to do it through the phone application. So if your watch is paired with a phone, you can open the Wear OS application on it. Let me zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. And once you see once you grab the phone and open the Wear OS application on it, you should see your Falster 3 right here on the device page. And you should see the category called watch faces. Tap on more, it will open the list of watch faces. You can scroll through it, find the watch face you like, tap on it, and it's gonna be applied on your watch. Like this. Okay, and that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.